Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, Happy New Year. We're in the middle of winter right now, and one thing that means is that there are some awesome deals on equipment that is usually associated with summertime. One such item is this awesome thing right here. This is a butane stove, and it's half price, only $17. $17 for this beauty. It's amazing. Butane stoves are awesome. They're my number one go-to for indoor cooking. If there's a hurricane, all during the hurricane, if you lose power, you can cook indoors with this butane stove. Okay? If there's an ice storm and you lose power, you can cook indoors with this stove. It's great. Sure, it's portable. It's great for camping and tailgating and just going to a picnic or something like that, but it's an awesome prep device. So let's get into it. So it comes in this box here. That's the brand name right there, GVDV. It also comes wrapped with a nice plastic cover, okay? So it's got this black plastic carrying case that you can use whenever you want to store it or carry it around, which is very, very convenient. As we take off the labeling here, you can see this case a little better. It's just hard plastic, but it's convenient as far as if you want to store it, say, in a cabinet or in the attic or anywhere in the shed, you've got a case to put it in, so that's nice. As you take it out, this is what it looks like right here, and it's great. It's just got a really nice size burner, and one of the best things about these butane stoves is just how stable they are. This thing is just a brick, right? It's not heavy, but it's just super stable. It's low and wide, so you can put huge pots on here and not have to worry about it. Like I say, this is my number one go-to. If power's out for any reason, this is what I want to go to. Like me, probably many of you have done things during a hurricane where you've rolled your propane grill around and had it at the edge of your garage and had your garage open and sat and freeze in the garage trying to cook your meal. Or maybe you've tried to, maybe you cooked on your propane stove during an ice storm and you braved the elements, that kind of thing. But with the butane stove, you can cook inside. And it's so stable, it's so nice, it's so sturdy. Butane stove is my number one go-to, okay? We're going to use this thing for purifying water. We're going to use this thing for cooking, and we're going to be using this thing to keep us warm in bed, and I'll show you that soon. So here you can see it's got the little piezoelectric igniter, and you've got an actual adjust, so you can go from 0 to basically full power, okay? Very low profile, very sturdy, very stable, right? That's what I love about this thing. So simple, so easy to use, very intuitive. I've got some DIY stoves, but they just don't have the stability that something like this does. Here it is on my stovetop. Look, it blends in like magic. You'll probably forget that you don't have electricity if you're using this thing. I use it right on top of my stove. That's great. You could use it on a cabinet top or a counter or something like that, but I like it right on the stove. It's just convenient. I'm used to cooking right there, and so it works perfect. Again, this beauty is only $17 at Walmart, right? Came in like 2 days. Awesome, awesome piece of gear to have. It's half price right now. I'm going to be showing those videos of me basically purifying water, cooking a meal, and actually using it to heat things that that'll keep me warm in my bed at night. I'm not going to put them on this video because I want to get this video out soon so that you can take advantage of the sale. But that video will be forthcoming probably a little later this week. But these things are just awesome. Again, they're my number one go-to. I like this a lot better than propane for indoors. I don't like to cook indoors with propane. Butane is just a much better way to go. It's less expensive, and it's just a better indoor fuel. This is the fuel that gets used. It's butane canisters. You can get these all different places. Generally, you can get them for about $3 a can, and that's going to run for about 3 hours. So that's a lot of cooking that you can do with just one single can. So you can pick up like a 12-pack of cans of these things, and you'd be set for a long while. Look at this monster stew pot on here. This thing is so stable. You could just heat up a giant, giant bowl of stew or chili or cook pasta or anything like that. Even in a giant stew pot, it just stays rock solid on this thing. So I love these things. They're super versatile. They can do a ton for you prepping. They can do lots of fun stuff if you're going to the beach, if you're tailgating, you're going picnicking, something like that. Definitely pick one of these up. They're at Walmart, right? They're $17. I think it was $18 with tax. 18 exactly with tax. So a great item to have. There's lots of other stuff that's on sale like this for the summer items. I'll be giving those to you this week, next week. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of those. But yeah, this stove is just amazing. When you're done with it, you can clean it up and just put it right away in that case. You can stick it anywhere. Great thing to have on hand. Super useful. My number one go-to for cooking during an emergency. So yeah, it's an awesome thing to have. I'll leave a link to this item at Walmart, and you can see it here. But man, it's just a really good thing to have. I hope you pick one up. I'll be doing videos with it later this week. Be sure and check back, like and subscribe. This is Troy Time. I'm out.